Hey, knowledge lovers! We live in a world that is absolutely overflowing with information. Whether you are trying to optimize the click-through rates and SEO metrics through your latest digital content, or you are trying to streamline a massive corporate supply chain, the ability to turn raw numbers into clear, actionable insights is your ultimate competitive advantage. Companies are no longer just looking for people who can read a spreadsheet. They are hunting for professionals who can clean, visualize, and predict trends using modern programming languages. Today, we are taking a deep dive into an incredible roadmap for aspiring analysts, the Microsoft Data Analysis with Python and R Specialization. Before we break down exactly what makes this curriculum so powerful, let's get the essentials out of the way. It includes its respective professional certification upon completion, and it is completely online, meaning you can master these highly lucrative skills from any country in the world. The link to access this course is waiting for you in the video description. Let's dive in. The Ultimate Dual Language Toolkit. Most data science programs force you to choose between Python and R, but this specialization recognizes that top-tier analysts often need both. Designed to be entirely beginner-friendly, this program starts from zero coding experience and builds your foundational programming skills step by step. You will learn how to wield Python and R to collect, clean, analyze, and visualize complex datasets. What makes this course highly authentic is its focus on the actual tools used in the industry. You will move past clunky spreadsheet limitations and apply professional data workflows using Pandas and the Tidyverse. By mastering these libraries, you will be able to take massive, messy datasets and effortlessly reshape them into beautiful, easy-to-read charts, interactive dashboards, and executive reports that clearly communicate your findings to non-technical stakeholders. Integrating AI and machine learning. Where this specialization truly stands out is how it bridges traditional data analysis with the future of tech. You won't just be writing manual code, you will be introduced to beginner machine learning models and cutting-edge generative AI productivity tools. You will learn how to integrate platforms like GitHub Copilot into your workflow, allowing AI to assist you in writing and debugging your Python and R scripts faster than ever before. The curriculum guides you through the use of industry-standard environments like Jupyter Notebook and Visual Studio Code. You will explore exploratory data analysis and learn how to build predictive models using scikit-learn alongside crafting stunning visual reports with matplotlib and ggplot2. It's a highly persuasive curriculum that ensures you are not just learning to code, but learning to work with the speed and efficiency of a modern AI-assisted professional. Remember that if you're interested in the course, you'll find the link with the best price in the description. Real-world applied learning. Theory is useless without practice, and the Applied Learning Project is where this specialization truly shines. Throughout the courses, you will complete hands-on projects that simulate exact workplace analytics tasks. You will not be working with boring, perfectly clean data. You will be tasked with cleaning raw datasets, building custom Python workflows, and analyzing real-world healthcare and retail numbers. The program culminates in capstone-style projects, where you will use GitHub and Microsoft development tools to document your work. This is incredibly valuable because you don't just walk away with a certificate, you walk away with portfolio-ready evidence of your skills. When you walk into an interview, you will have concrete proof that you can automate analysis workflows and build machine learning models from scratch. So, what is my honest opinion? If you are an aspiring data analyst, a business professional looking to upgrade your toolkit, or a career changer with zero prior coding experience, this specialization is an absolute home run. It's an entertaining, moderately paced, and incredibly practical program. By teaching you both Python and R and showing you how to leverage AI tools to speed up your work, it gives you a massive edge in a highly competitive job market. Here's the best part. This course can be obtained without a one-time payment. You can unlock this entire specialization simply by purchasing a Coursera Plus subscription, which offers unlimited access to this course and more than 7,000 other world-class programs. It's an incredibly smart, cost-effective way to continuously stack high-level technical certifications for a single monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.